I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Efficiency is the backbone of any successful trade. Let's look at how to master your digital office today.
Xero Expenses makes managing your business expenses quick and simple. Capture costs as they happen to reimburse you or your employees faster, and keep track of your spending for a healthy cash flow. Let's take a look. Once you've added Xero Expenses to your plan, start capturing receipts straight away. Download the Xero Me app so you and your staff can submit expenses and mileage claims on the go to save time. You can also use the app to approve claims. Click New Expense to create a new claim. Upload or photograph a receipt so Xero fills in the key details for you, or fill in the details yourself. Split expenses across multiple accounts to track spending. Select the account the expense belongs to, then enter any optional details. Save as draft or submit the expense for approval. If you have the right permissions, you can approve it yourself. For business travel, create a mileage claim. Enter the details so Xero calculates the cost for you. Easily manage your own expense claims in one place. What you can do depends on your permissions in Xero, like approving or declining expenses. If you set up any employees with expenses in Xero, manage their claims here too. Use the tab to filter or search for the claims you want to reimburse, or pay all expenses and mileage claims at once. Set up Xero Expenses to quickly manage your claims, free your time, and track your money. Search expenses in the Xero help menu to find out more.